Hey guys, welcome to 90 Seconds with Chris. Today we're going to talk about stocks. Say I was really good at baking. I'm so good at every family event, and currently I'm getting too many requests to bake cakes, way more than I can handle. So I decide I'm going to start up a bakery. I do my analysis and I realize I need $10,000 to start up this bakery. But unfortunately, I only have $2,000 in my savings to put down for this business. Obviously, I need to raise the $8,000 difference. I decide I'm going to sell stock to investors, in this case friends and family. So I take my company, I divide it into 10 pieces. Keep 2 for myself with the $2,000 I have, and sell the other 8 pieces to 8 different of my friends at a value of $1,000 per share. Currently, in this scenario, I own 20% of the company, while my other 8 friends each own 10% of this company. Fast forward 10 years later, business is booming. We are the #1 bakery in the United States of America, and everyone wants a piece of my cake. Our bakery is currently worth about $1 million. At this point, I still own 20% of this bakery, which calculates to an exact dollar amount of $20,000. Each of my friends / investor also still owns 10%, which calculates to $100,000 or $800,000 combined. Each investor at this point, myself included, is free to sell their ownership in this company to a fellow investor in the future if that investor speculates this company might be worth more or less in future. At this point, once a previous investor sells to a new investor, this new investor now owns every single right the previous investor owned, and now that previous investor is kicked out of the company unless he decides to buy back in at a later time.